Hi, I'm Joe with Luggage Base, and here we have the Victorinox Tourbach wheeled tote, and it uses a very tall handle system with a gel padding, very comfortable, very durable. In fact, the Tourbach has a lifetime warranty on workmanship. It also comes with Carry with Confidence Plus, which will warranty even against damage to the product, and also they'll send you out a loaner while your bag's being repaired if it needs to be. But it is one of the most durable lines of luggage on the market today. The handle system does slide down right into this compartment here and zips right up. So it hides away. It does have a pocket back here, which also can be turned into a sleeve if you unzip this zipper here. So you can slide this over the handle system of an upright and ride it on top of another piece of luggage. They are using nanotechnology on the fabric, so it resists stain and soils a lot more, and abrasional wear is reduced. The bag does come with a ID tag, which has a unique ID number, and also a phone number. So if your bag is lost, whoever finds it can call this number, and the bag will be sent right back to you by Swiss Army. They use leather handle wrap that is very nice and comfortable. On the front here, they have what we call a little document pocket, so you can put documents and other items in this pocket here. It comes with a little free Victorinox key fob, which is really nice, and that's detachable as well. And that goes all the way down right about here. We also have another gusseted pocket here, which has some room to it. Comes with a free TSA combination lock. In here you have a couple compartments. And the compartments have two pockets here and here, and then you have another zipper pocket behind that as well. And also on the lid part here, there's another little pouch here. You can put sunglasses or eyeglass here. It is padded out here to protect your items. These can be locked, and also the zippers tabs can be replaced easily by you. They're designed so that you can slip another tab right on there if you need to replace that. The product does come with a gel padded shoulder strap. It's very durable, very heavy duty hardware on here, and it's very comfortable if you do want to use the shoulder strap. The bag itself opens up quite a bit. You have quite a bit of room there. And then you also have a zipper pocket here, and then another one on the front as well. So there's another zipper pouch here as well. So again, this is the Victorinox Tourbach wheel tote.